Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me featuring some of my favorite products. Let's dive right in. It's going to be like a pretty light face. I actually got some like magnetic lashes and I'm going to be trying these out for different videos. So I'm just going to be doing a quick easy thing. Clearly I haven't done my hair. It is so flippin' hot. It's only 94 degrees. And I say only because it was 100 degrees yesterday. But I mean, it feels like 105. I get up and I start sweating. So I have been loving this little guy. It's from Glam Glow. It's the Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer, and this is Nude Glow. My sister-in-law gave this to me. It was just like a little sample. She probably got from like a Sephora Play or something like that. I really like it, unfortunately. So I'm gonna be completely honest. This is what it looks like. It's a little runny, but it still has some thickness. This is not something I'll buy, again, just because I know Glam Glow products are pretty pricey and you can get, you know, you can just, drugstore has so many wonderful options. So, but for anyone wondering, you know, I really like it. And I'm like, damn it. I also won't get it because I recently purchased the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, and this is kind of like, it does exactly the same thing. I also have the Soft Focus Glow Drops from Rhode Isle that I'm trying to finish up. I love those, but I just wanted to throw this in here and let you guys know this is something that I have really been liking. Now, this Misha Perfect Cover BB Cream. It is SPF 42, random, and I'm in number 25. I'm just going to take like not even a full squirt of it, and I don't know why I put it like on my fingers. So normally what I do is just rub it on my face, but I'm not in my bathroom, so I don't really want to do that. So I am just kind of gonna stipple this on. This Misha BB cream, oh god, it is amazing. This is definitely giving less coverage because I'm using this beauty blender, but it is so hot outside. I have no desire to wear a full face of makeup anyway, and I do need to go run errands. Gosh, so nice. I also really like the way that Glam Glow highlight smells. It smells so good. So Jessica Braun loves the Misha BB cream. So I love the Misha BB cream. I love this. It has such good coverage. So normally if you put it on with a brush, and if I do, I just kind of use like a flat top brush there, or like I said, I'll literally rub it on my fingers and just put it on. It gives really good coverage for a BB cream. It has the SPF in there, and it's just lightweight. It feels like skin. It doesn't cake up. It is just really nice. So love that. I am just going to pop on some of this color corrector. This is ColourPop concealer. I have it in medium 22. While I let that kind of like set down just a little bit, I am just going to pop on this Milani eyebrow primer, which is another favorite. I stopped wearing eye primer a very long time ago, and probably like before I started having my babies. And I even decluttered all my eye primers. And you know, I don't have exceptionally oily eyelids, but oily enough. And oh my gosh, my husband is outside with a friend of his. They're putting down our patio. They're doing stonework and all this craziness. So they're listening to music. I don't know what you can hear. This is the Woke Concealer from Uoma Beauty. I have it in Fair Lady T1. It's a tad light for me, but I really like this guy. Yeah, so I just kind of line it right in there. I'm still playing around with how to use this perfectly. I don't think I have like the perfect color for myself, but anyway, back to the eye primer. So this guy, it's like, yeah, my eyelids aren't particularly oily, but I would notice I would get creasing, a lot of transfer, because I tend to put a lot of shimmer like on my actual eyelid up high. So I've been doing like different techniques that I've been learning from like Robert, as well as Alexandra Anale, I believe her name is, on YouTube. Love her. And And you know, Robert is just like, he's like, you need eyeshadow primer, not an eyeshadow, not concealer, you know, like not foundation, which is really what I was doing. I was just putting my foundation or my BB cream like everywhere. And I have noticed such an improvement with the quality of like my eyeshadow look. It's like amazing. I'm like, oh, that's why. But I was annoyed because I was like, what the heck? I got rid of all of my eyeshadow primers. So just to blend this out, I feel like this definitely brightens them, the concealer, you know, but you could still see. But again, I'm not a makeup artist and I'm not perfect, and I'm just gonna go to the store. And I still need to bronze up and do other things. So we're gonna not make too much of this look. So that's the eyeshadow primer. Oh God, I got this off Amazon. I think it was like $11 to $13. Love it. So I'm just going to put on, if you guys have like an idea of a cream bronzer that you really like, let me know. This is just from Buxom or Bare Minerals. I'm just gonna kind of go like this. Okay, so that's bronzer. Blush, I have been loving Pinched from Flower Beauty, and it's the blush balm. And I just use like the butt of my beauty blender, and it just gives such a natural flush. I'll even like kind of go across. Oh gosh, guys. I don't even know if you can see, because again, this is like a very natural, glowy kind of look. This is what I go for. It doesn't always work. Obviously I'm a professional hairdresser. But sorry, I'm like looking off because my husband's out there looking all fine and sweaty. You know how that is. So this is basically the face. Okay, so I just quickly did my eyebrows, and I have been loving this lip product. Again, my sister-in-law Leonis decluttered it. It is in the color Mars from Raine Cosmetics, and it's just a liquid lipstick. And literally, look at the longest doe foot applicator ever. I wipe basically all the product off and then put it on. So that is that lip product. I just really like it because it's like, again, this will last you forever, although it shouldn't. You'll have to get rid of it at some point. But it is just full coverage. And it's definitely a liquid lipstick, but it's not like, you know, you're not in pain. Your lips are fine. And I would actually be fine like this. What I like to do is put this IT Cosmetics lip over it, and it's in the color Rose Flush. It's the Vitality Lip Flush Stain. They're digging. Can you hear them? They're digging like crushed rock. Okay, so this is to finish off the favorites. I wanted to show you this mascara, this Bambi Eye mascara from L'Oreal. I really, really like it. It is L'Oreal, right? Yep. But I just filmed a video putting on these magnetic lashes, which was kind of an epic fail. But they're on, so success, kind of. But that's it. I do really like this mascara. I do think it gives you that very doe-eyed, separate look. Look at how dirty I am. From the magnetic liner. Oh, and I threw on some eyeshadow. I use the Persona palette here. Just literally just these three. But yeah, so, which I've been loving. Jen actually gave that to me. So this is it. This is just my like fresh faced, quick, easy summer makeup with my favorites. That's it. This is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. I know it's really random, but I just wanted to show you some of the products that I've been loving, that I've been using. My mom took the kids for a few hours, so I figured let me bang out a video or two. And now I am off to go run some errands. And I feel like, even though I think I look ridiculous, that I should wear these lashes out and see if they blow away in the wind. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye.